Okay, another harvest of these beautiful collard greens. Almost 2 weeks and we have more collard greens, beautiful collard green leaves have grown on this one plant. That's wonderful. And look at this one here. It's finally decided to want to bring up some beautiful collard green leaves too. Got the other one back in the bag, so they all trying to produce now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna harvest off some more of these big beautiful collard green leaves from Big Mama's garden. Another harvest of asparagus too. Okay. Look at these beautiful collard greens here. Yay! Beautiful harvest.